Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have a first impressions and unboxing on two new products from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I'm so excited. I just had to film this video. They just came in the mail. I have the brand new Holy Hydration Remedy hand cream and also the Holy Hydration lip mask. So we're going to unbox these. I'm going to show you an up close of each product. We're going to test them out, see if it's any good. I have a good feeling about both of these. So grab a drink, grab a coffee, grab a snack, and let's get right into this video. So let's start with the hand cream first. This is called the Holy Hydration Remedy hand cream. It retails for $5. You get a really nice amount of product at 2.54 fluid ounces, about 75 mils. Packaging is absolutely gorgeous. It's in this really soft blue box. So if you see this in stores, this is what it will look like. So the packaging on the hand cream is really pretty. It comes in this bright blue squeezy tube. Just your standard hand cream container has the flip cap and you just squeeze out how much product you want. It says on the e.l.f. Cosmetics website, all the nourishing ingredients of your favorite Holy Hydration skincare plus that signature fresh scent are now in the palms of your hands. This intensely nourishing yet non-greasy hand cream is enriched with super hydrators like hyaluronic acid and squalane to replenish moisture in even the driest hands. The ingredients seem pretty simple. I like that there's not like a ton of ingredients in here. Now there is fragrance, and if you've ever smelled the Holy Hydration line from e.l.f., it does have that kind of, it's very fresh, very like aloe, very like water spa. Like if you walked into a spa, this is what I imagine a spa smelling like. So it's very subtle, but again, if you don't like fragrance in your hand creams, then you may not enjoy this product. So I'm just going to apply a bit to the back of my hand here, and it definitely comes out white at first, and I have to say it smells so, oh my god, it smells really good. So I'm just going to spread this out on the back of my hands. Oh wow. So far, I don't notice a white cast. I do feel that this is, I know, maybe I applied a little too much, but it is kind of looking pretty glossy. I don't know if I can catch the light, but it's definitely giving me a little bit of a glow to my skin. I'm not gonna lie, it feels a little bit greasy. I may have added a little too much. I'm gonna kind of run it down my arms a little bit. I did apply quite a bit to the back of my hand. It feels very nourishing, very smoothing. I will say I don't like how greasy my palms look and feel. Now this does claim to be a non-greasy formula, so I'll have to test it out further and update you guys in the comments. It definitely absorbed quite fast, but again, I don't know if this is something I would use during the daytime. If you're like leaving to go to work in the morning, you're gonna be touching a steering wheel in your car. If you're gonna be touching and grabbing things, I don't know if this is something I would use during the day, maybe more at nighttime. So that's what I usually do with really nourishing hand creams. I'll apply a lot before I go to bed and then wake up and my skin is just super soft and nice. All right, let's move on to the Holy Hydration lip mask. This is what I'm so excited for, you guys, and I'll tell you why in a moment, but first let's take a close look at this product. I'm going to open it for the first time, and let me tell you what, there is nothing like opening a fresh lip mask. I'm kind of getting into lip masks lately. I'm kind of obsessed, so I was so excited to see e.l.f. launch this as a permanent item in their collection. So this retails for $7. It's called the Holy Hydration Lip Mask. So this lip mask comes again in that cute little blue box. It says Holy Hydration Lip Mask with hyaluronic acid and squalane. So when I opened up the box, you could see that there's a cute little spatula wrapped in plastic, which is so adorable. Again, that bright blue color. And then the lip mask itself, again, that beautiful bright sky blue. I have to say, e.l.f. did such a beautiful job with the packaging here. It looks super luxurious yet affordable, and I think e.l.f. does such a good job of finding a balance between the two. So when I took the lid off, even the lip mask itself has this beautiful, soft, glossy blue color. It's just so pretty. I have to say, it kind of hurt my heart to scoop this out. But I took the little spatula, scooped a little bit onto the back of my hand so you guys could see the texture. This formula is definitely more of a gel, Has a very nice smooth gel consistency, and when you kind of blend this onto the skin, it does have a little bit of a blue tint, but it pretty much dissipates once you rub this into the skin. So on the e.l.f. website, it says this is a hydrating lip mask infused with skin-loving ingredients to give you a softer, smoother pout. It's a leave-on formula that delivers intense hydration to soothe dry lips. Non-greasy and non-sticky finish, can be worn with other lip products or overnight. It has a fresh berry scent. Oh, that's interesting. I honestly can't smell it. It's very, very, very faint. I don't really smell berry, or maybe it's just the hand cream. I'm just smelling the hand cream. So there are key ingredients in this lip mask. There's hyaluronic acid, which hydrates the lips. There's squalane, which moisturizes the skin. There's also castor seed oil, which helps condition and replenish the lips. It says to slather your lips with this intense moisture and reveal softer and smoother pout. So the main reason I was so excited to see e.l.f. launch the lip mask and have it be permanent is because they came out with a limited edition Jelly Pop Luscious Lip Mask a while back. So here we have the Holy Hydration, and here we have the Jelly Pop. So I was so excited to see e.l.f. launch this because I fell in love with this immediately, but this has been discontinued, so I was so heartbroken when I couldn't find this on the e.l.f. website. But mine is almost gone, and let me tell you what, oh my god, it smells just like the Jelly Pop primer. So if you guys tried this product out and you loved it, I think this is going to be the new replacement for that, and it's also permanent. So I am so excited for this product. I love lip masks. I usually will apply them at night right before I go to bed, and it just helps keep my lips from being dry and cracked and peeling and flaking. I constantly am battling the dryness with my skin. I have dry skin, I have dry hair, I have dry lips. Let's try it out. I'm gonna wipe off my lip gloss. I was actually doing some lip swatches today, so my lips could definitely use a little hydration. So I'm gonna go ahead and scoop up a little bit of this on my little spatula. The spatula is actually really cute. I find that it does come in handy. I mean, you can stick your finger in here, but I really hope they come out with different fragrances, like the watermelon one. e.l.f., please bring this back. Maybe just bring out a different fragrance. All right, let's go ahead and apply this to the lips. Oh my god, that's way too much, Jess. Oh yeah. Yep, it's the same formula. Yes, it feels very similar to the Jelly Pop one. It's a very creamy gel consistency, but it's very thick, and it really does grip onto your lips and stay in place. And also, I like that it has a nice gloss to it. So you could actually wear this during the day if your lips are feeling dry. Let me tell you what, during the winter months, this is going to be my everyday lip treatment to keep my lips moisturized. So as you can see up close, I did press my lips together. This is not sticky at all. It's super comfortable. I can tell you already, this formula is just like the Jelly Pop lip mask. So if you really love this one, now you have another option. So I'm so happy they brought this formula back. It's not the same fragrance, but oh my gosh, it feels so good. So I have been wearing the Holy Hydration hand cream on my hands for quite a while, and I have to say, you guys, it does feel greasy. It left a kind of greasy residue, especially on the palms of my hand. I don't know if you can see the shine. This is definitely not something I would wear during the day because I'm touching things like my laptop, my keyboard, my mouse, my phone. It's not absorbing fully. So that's a little bit of a bummer. I do like how soft my skin feels. I do like the fragrance. So I'm a little disappointed in this that it left kind of a greasy residue, but again, I'm gonna keep testing this out and seeing how I like this, but definitely more of a nighttime, right before bed type of hand cream than during the day. Absolutely love the lip mask, and I can already tell you when I have a chance I'm going to purchase a couple backups because I just know this is going to be in my everyday nighttime routine 100%. It just feels so hydrating and nourishing, and I'm loving it. Love the lip mask. So that is everything, you guys. Just my quick first impressions, unboxing some new items from e.l.f. Cosmetics. Leave a comment down below. Did you guys try these out yet? What are your thoughts? Do you like them? Which product do you like more? I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and of course subscribe if you're new here. I post on Tuesdays and Fridays every week at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, talking about cruelty-free beauty. I talk about it all: girlfriend, makeup, hair, skin. If you guys want to follow me, I am on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, all of the above. My links are always down below, and I will also link to these products down below in the description box as well. It does say that this is available on the e.l.f. Cosmetics website and the e.l.f. Cosmetics UK website. So I think it's only online right now, so I'm not sure exactly when this is launching in stores. If I do find that out, I will update the description box when I get a chance, but it is a new product launch from e.l.f. So I hope you guys, again, found this video helpful, and I'm super excited to keep testing these out. I'm definitely more excited about the lip mask, but that is everything, you guys. I will talk to you very soon in the next video. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'm sending you positive vibes, good energy, hugs, hugs through the screen, and I will see you very soon. Bye. As you fade away.